Welcome back to KTN Weekend Prime. Now, the funeral service of 6 out of 8 victims of a horrific road accident at Kanyadiang on Kendu Bay, Homabay Road was held today in a Sigoti village of Nyakach in Kisumu County. As Bramwell Bwire reports, politics took center stage with Azimio allied leaders accusing the Kenya Kwanza government of planning to overtax the taxpayers.
A day of pain and sorrow as the final rites for 6 of the 8 victims of Kanyadiang Trading Center accident was conducted. On 5th May, a school bus that was in transit from Nyakach to Homabay lost control and rolled several times. 7 people died on spot, with one at Kendu Bay Sub-County Hospital where survivors were rushed for treatment. The families are now calling for strict measures to curb increasing road accidents.
The government, they should also put good restrictions, good traffic rules, good traffic managers who can really help the country to maintain our road standards.
You find the policemen, sometimes they don't even check the vehicle. They're given money, whether it is full, whether it is unroadworthy, the vehicle is good. Then there must be another body to oversee what the other policemen or traffic are doing.
And as expected, politics took center stage. Azimio allied leaders castigating the Kenya Kwanza government over the proposed financial bill that they say will no doubt overburden Kenyans.
The foundation of Kenya are the people. Solidify that foundation by giving people faith and belief in government. It doesn't matter how they voted during the elections.
Provided you have money, you can build your house. So what we need to discuss now is the issue of money in the pockets of wananchi.
They need to sit down with us so that we can guide them on how to deliver on the right to housing instead of bringing bills that are just going to cause chaos in this country.
You have NSSF, you have Love Fund, you have Love Trust, and many others. There is completely no reason of creating another fund.
They also suggested the bipartisan 2 committees be abolished and instead asked President William Ruto to hold direct talk with ODM leader Raila Odinga.
If the committee is driving the long route, to invite the president and His Excellency Raila Odinga to sit down and cut it off. Let us have a solution. Because if anything, it depends on them. They are the masters. We saw it happen when Annan came. It's only when Kibaki and Raila said that we got a solution. So it's not the first time.
Bramwell Bwire, KTN News, Kisumu.
So now public secondary schools are staring at a financial crisis due